Welcome back to Test and Quiz, the ultimate hub for tests and quizzes.
Welcome to the Australian Citizenship Practice Test. This is Mock Test 5, focusing on our common bond. You'll be answering 20 questions to test your knowledge. You must answer all 5 Australian values questions correctly. You need to score at least 75% overall to pass. Are you ready? Let's begin the test. What is the official symbol of the Commonwealth of Australia? A. The golden wattle. B. The Commonwealth coat of arms. C. The opal. The correct answer is the Commonwealth coat of arms. Why is respecting other people's freedom of speech important? A. It allows people to express their views freely within the law. B. It helps silence opposing views. C. It prevents discussions on controversial topics. The correct answer is it allows people to express their views freely within the law. Which state is known for having the Great Barrier Reef? A. New South Wales. B. Queensland. C. Victoria. The correct answer is Queensland. What is not protected under freedom of speech in Australia? A. Speaking out against government policies. B. Spreading false information or promoting violence. C. Debating social issues. The correct answer is spreading false information or promoting violence. What type of environment characterizes the north of the Northern Territory? A. Desert environment. B. Tropical environment. C. Temperate environment. The correct answer is tropical environment. What is an example of lawful expression of freedom of speech? A. Encouraging others to break the law. B. Peacefully discussing political topics. C. Making false claims about another person. The correct answer is peacefully discussing political topics. Western Australia is home to many. A. Tourism projects. B. Mining projects. C. Agricultural projects. The correct answer is mining projects. Which statement best describes freedom of expression in Australia? A. People can express their views in public or private spaces within legal limits. B. People can say anything they want without restrictions. C. Only the media has the right to express opinions freely. The correct answer is people can express their views in public or private spaces within legal limits. What is the name of Australia's national anthem? A. Waltzing Matilda. B. Advance Australia Fair. C. God Save the Queen. The correct answer is Advance Australia Fair. Who has freedom of speech in Australia? A. Only journalists and politicians. B. All people in Australia, as long as it is within the law. C. Only Australian citizens. The correct answer is all people in Australia, as long as it is within the law. What does the rule of law mean in Australia? A. Some people are above the law. B. Everyone is equal under the law. C. Only government officials must obey the law. The correct answer is everyone is equal under the law. Where is the separation of powers written? A. In the Australian Constitution. B. In local council laws. C. In the Prime Minister's office policies. The correct answer is in the Australian Constitution. Is service in the Australian Defence Force mandatory? A. Yes, it is mandatory for all citizens. B. Only mandatory during peacetime. C. No, it is voluntary. The correct answer is no, it is voluntary. Why is the separation of powers important in Australia? A. It prevents any one person or group from having total control. B. It allows the Prime Minister to make all decisions. C. It ensures that laws are made without public input. The correct answer is it prevents any one person or group from having total control. Why is it important for Australian citizens to be committed to defending the nation? A. To avoid legal penalties. B. To ensure the nation and its way of life are protected if necessary. C. To fulfill a ceremonial duty. The correct answer is to ensure the nation and its way of life are protected if necessary. Who exercises judicial power in Australia? A. Judges and courts. B. The Prime Minister and Cabinet. C. Members of Parliament. The correct answer is judges and courts. Why is jury service important? A. It helps ensure that the court system is open and fair. B. It is a ceremonial duty with no real impact. C. It is optional and not significant. The correct answer is it helps ensure that the court system is open and fair. What is judicial power? The power to interpret and apply the law. B. The power to make laws. C. The power to enforce laws. The correct answer is the power to interpret and apply the law. What does freedom of association include? A. The right to join any legal organisation. B. The right to join only government-approved organisations. C. The right to avoid all associations. The correct answer is the right to join any legal organisation. Who is included in the executive branch of government? A. The Prime Minister, government ministers, and the Governor-General. B. Judges and courts. C. Local government officials. The correct answer is the Prime Minister, government ministers, and the Governor-General.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And practice more tests from our playlists.